Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Venmo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get signed up in your Venmo account or to create an account in Venmo, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.venmo.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Venmo. Now all you need to do is simply tap on the login option. Once you tap on the login option, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the sign up option. After you hit the sign up button, you will end up in this page where you need to choose what kind of account you want to create and hit the get started. Now simply type in the mobile phone number, which is US based, and tap on send code. After you do this, you will get a code on your number, so simply type it open and follow the on-screen prompts given to create or sign up in Venmo. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.